Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We're the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count with our 30-minute Greek shrimp grain bowls.
Yes. 30 minutes? Wow, that's fantastic on its own. But protein, healthy carbs, brown rice, shrimp, Greek yogurt, this keeps getting better, Mom.
Absolutely, and it's an explosion of power and benefits to your body.
Yes, indeed it is, because Greek yogurt provides us with 9 grams of protein per serving and calcium, and of course that wonderful thing we love, probiotics, aka gut health.
Oh goodness, well, I love that it's an explosion of flavor and it has benefits to your body.
And we've included bell peppers in this, so typically you won't find those in most restaurant bowls, but you're going to find it in these bowls here.
Well, I love the lemon juice in both the bowl and in the lemon garlic yogurt sauce. It just brings a brightness and balance to the bowl.
Yes, and also red bell peppers are some of the most healthiest bell peppers. They stay on the vine the longest, they provide you with vitamin C. And Mom, like what else does it do?
Oh, well, let me tell you, it decreases inflammation and increases immune health.
Oh my goodness, it keeps getting better. So let's get these bowls assembled. Now we're going to divide evenly, depending on how many people you're serving. This serves 4, but we have, of course, just the 2 of us. From there, we're going to scatter our shrimp and veggies over the top and finish with a dollop of lemon garlic yogurt. Oh, I forgot something, Mom. Let's not forget to drizzle that olive oil on top of there, along with any herb of your choice, but we're using parsley.
Oh my goodness, I am so ready to dive into these bowls. Well, there you have it. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more beneficial and delicious recipes.
And when you make these bowls at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.